Thank you for your trust in Hualian machinery and purchased our best sealer. Now, let me introduce the basic installation and precautions for receiving the machine. After opening the box, firstly check whether the accessories are complete according to the packing list and whether the power cord is intact. Now we take out the machine, check the appearance. Next, install the ink roller and the letter kits. Remove the guiding belt. Rotate the red knob to take down the printing wheel. Put the letter kits. Put on a silicone ring. Fix the letter kits. Put the printing wheel back to the machine. Rotate the red knob to fix. Rotate ink roller sleeve to remove. After changing the new ink roller, then reinstall on the machine. Open the back cover and remove the bolt from the gearbox according to the sticker. Remove the screw when using the machine and reinstall the screw before transportation. Connect the power cord. Turn on the main switch, power switch, and emergency stop switch. Then machine can work. Some customers cannot run the machine because the emergency stop switch is not turned on. Then come to the step of heating up. Set the temperature controller to the suitable temperature. When the actual temperature is basically the same as the set temperature, machine can start to work. Now try one back to see the effect. If the seal is not firm, adjust the temperature to be higher. And then try again after the actual temperature is reached. If the speed is too slow, you can rotate this knob to adjust. We need to adjust the temperature according to the bag thickness. Like craft paper bag, the temperature needs to be set between 200 to 300 degrees. For normal plastic bags, set to 150 to 200 degrees. For the thin bags, just set to 100 to 150 degrees. These parameters are just for reference, and you need to test according to different bags. The printing wheel cover should be on the top right. If can't print or the printing wheel cannot rotate, you can adjust the rubber wheel gap under the printing wheel. Above is the starting up video of our FRBM-810. In addition, there are some cautions. The appropriate operation can greatly extend the machine life. Turn off the heater switch first and wait for 5 minutes before turning off the power, which can extend the life of the sealing belt. Check whether the gears are lubricated every 3 months. If not, please add grease in time. It can extend the life of the gear. In addition, check whether the carbon brush is worn. The normal size is 1.8 cm and it needs to be replaced once below 1 cm. The other one is here and the replacement method is same. Please check whether the sealing belt has rough edges after using every time. If yes, please change in time. When the ink roller is in first use, the temperature can be properly lowered. After a period of time, it can be improved a little bit. When the ink roller reaches working temperature, it is advisable to touch the surface with wet paper, and it's okay to be attached with a little ink. The easy wearing parts are carbon brush, letter kits, guiding belts, solid ink roller, sealing belts. If any abnormal, please change in time. Okay, above is our FRBM-810 operation procedures. Please save the manual and the certification to check the operation method and after-sales service. If you still have doubt, please call us. Our after-sales department will answer in time.